Hi guys, let's look at the homework questions of exercise 10F. Good, let's start with the question directly. The question number 1 was homework. It says the sixth term of an AP is 16. This is the sixth term. So T6 is equal to 16, which is basically equal to A plus 5D. That's my first equation. And 14th term is 32. So T14 is equal to 32, which is A plus 13D. That's my second equation. We need to calculate the 36th term. For that, let's first calculate the value of A and D. So A plus 13D is equal to 32 and A plus 5D is equal to 16. Let's subtract. When I subtract, A gets cancelled. 13 minus 5, that's 8D. 32 minus 16, that's 16. Therefore, D is equal to 2. So we've calculated the value of D. Now let's put value of D in equation 1. That'll help us figure out the value of A. So put D is equal to 2 in equation 1, and what I get is A plus 5 into 2, that's 10, is equal to 16. Therefore, A is equal to 6. So we've got the value of A, we've got the value of D. Now let's figure out the 36th term. So T36 will be equal to A plus n minus 1, in this case 36 minus 1, that's 35D. So the 36th term will be equal to A, which is 6, and 35 multiplied with D, which is 2. Therefore, the 36th term is 6 plus 70, which is 76. Good, let's look at the next homework question. The next homework question which we had was question number 3. It says an AP consists of 50 terms. So the number of terms is equal to 50. The third term is 12. So T3 is equal to 12, which is equal to A plus 2D. That's correct. And this is my first equation. The last term, which is basically the 50th term. So T50 is equal to 106, which will be equal to A plus n minus 1. That's 50 minus 1. That's 49D. So that's my second equation. We have two equations, two variables. Let's solve them simultaneously. So this is A plus 49D is equal to 106 and A plus 2D is equal to 12. Let's subtract. When I subtract, A and A gets cancelled. 49 minus 2, that's 47D. 6 minus 2, that's 4. 10 minus 1, that's 9. Therefore, D is equal to 94 divided by 47, which is equal to 2. So again, in this question also, the value of D is 2. Let's figure out the value of A. So put D is equal to 2 in equation number 1, and we get A, which is what we need to figure out. 2D, which is 2 into 2, that's 4, is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 8. So we've calculated the value of A, we've calculated the value of D. Now we need to calculate the 29th term. So T29 will be equal to A plus 28 times D. A is 8 and D is 2, so 28 times 2, which is 8 plus 40 and 16, 56. Therefore, the 29th term is equal to 64. Simple question. Let's look at the next one. The next one that we do is question number 5. It says, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP 468. So A is equal to 4. Common difference is 6 minus 4, that's equal to 2. And we need to calculate the sum of first 10 terms. So that would be 10 upon 2 multiplied with 2 into A, that's 2 into 4, plus n minus 1. N is 10, which means n minus 1 is 9, into D. D is 2. This is 2, 1, 2, 5. So sum of 10 terms will be equal to 5 times 2 into 4, that's 8, 9 into 2, that's 18. So 5 multiplied with 8 plus 18, that's 26, that's 130. So the sum of first 10 terms of this AP is equal to 130. That brings me to the next question, which is question number 6. It says find the sum of the first 20 terms. So n is equal to 20, whose first term is 3. A is equal to 3, and the last term is 57. Last term is 57. I know sum of n terms of an AP is given by n upon 2 multiplied with A plus L. So for this case, sum of 20 terms will be given by 20 upon 2, A in this case 3, L in this case 57. So this is 2, 1, 2, 10. This is 10 times 57 plus 3, that's 60. So the sum of first 20 terms of this AP would be 60 into 10, that's 600. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we have is question number 10. It says, which term of the sequence is 78? So A is given equal to 3. B, which is common difference, is 8 minus 3, in this case 5. And Tn is given equal to 78, which is basically equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. Substituting values, I get 78 is equal to A, which is 3, plus n minus 1 times D. D is 5. So this is 78 minus 3 is equal to 5 times n minus 1. 78 minus 3, that's 75. Dividing both sides by 5, I get 75 upon 5 is equal to n minus 1. 75 upon 5, that's 5, 1, 5, 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. Therefore, n is equal to 16. So which term? So the 16th term is 78. Therefore, T16 is equal to 78. So 16th term of this AP is equal to 78. That brings me to question number 13. It says how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So again, this is an AP. A, the first multiple after 10, which is divisible by 4, that's 4 into 3, 12. The common difference is basically 4. We're basically looking at an AP, which is 12, 16, 20, and so on. We need to figure out the last term of this AP. So let's divide 250 by 4. We have 4 into 6, 24. And I subtract, this is 10. 4 into 2, 8. So the remainder is 2, which means if I subtract 2 from 250, that would be the last number which will be divisible by 4. So last term of this AP would be 250 minus 2, in this case 248. So we know 248 is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. In this case 248 is equal to 12 plus 4 times n minus 1. D is 4, n minus 1. So this is 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 times n minus 1. 248 of minus 12, that's 236. Dividing both sides by 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 into 1, 4 into 5, 20. That's 36. So that's 4 into 9, 36. This gives us 59 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 60. So there are 60 multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250. Good. Let's look at the next homework question, which is question number 16. The 25th term of an AP exceeds its 9th term by 16. What's given is T25 is equal to T9 plus 16. Let's read the question again. Yes, 25th term exceeds, which means I'll have to add something to the 9th term. So T25 is equal to T9 plus 16. We need to calculate the common difference. Let's write this in terms of A and D. So A plus 24D, which is basically equal to T25. T9 is A plus 8D, and there is 16 here. A and A gets cancelled, which means 24D minus 8D is equal to 16. 24 minus 8, that's 16D is equal to 16. Therefore, D is equal to 1. So the common difference in this question is 1. And that brings me to the last homework question of this exercise and of this chapter as well, which is question number 20. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Let's find the first three-digit number. So A is equal to, so first three-digit number is 100. Let's divide it by 7. 7, 1, 7. That's 30. 7 into 4, 28. That's 2, which means I need to add 5 more so that the next number is divisible by 7. So the first three-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. Common difference is obviously 7. We need to figure out the last three-digit number divisible by 7. So last three-digit number is 999. Let's divide this by 7. 717. That's 29. 7 into 4, 28. That's 19. That's 7 into 2, 14. Remainder of 5, which means if I subtract 5 from 999, that would be the number which will be divisible by 7. So last three-digit number divisible by 7 is 999 minus 5. Therefore, L is equal to 994. Now we know 994 will be equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. Let's substitute values. 994 is equal to A, which is 105, plus N minus 1 multiplied with 7. That's 994 minus 105 is equal to 7 times N minus 1. Okay, I think I have enough space. I don't need to erase what I had written here. Let's go ahead and solve the remaining part of the question. So point number 8, 994 minus 105. 994 minus 105. 14 minus 5, that's 9. 8 minus 0, that's 8. And 9 minus 1, that's 8. So this is 889 is equal to 7 times N minus 1. Dividing both sides by 7, we have 889 upon 7 is equal to N minus 1. 7, 1, 7, 1, that's 18. 7 into 2, 14. 49, that's 7, which gives us 127 is equal to N minus 1. Therefore, N is equal to 128. So there are 128 three-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Perfect. That brings me to an end of this video as well as to this chapter. All the best for your studies. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to write to me. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye-bye.